Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use text styles in HTML. Once again, I repeat the topic how to use text styles in HTML. HTML text style consists of bold text, strong text, italic text, emphasized text, underline text, and strike through text. Let me explain you one by one. The first comes is the bold text. Bold text and strong text. To make text bold, you can either use strong tag or B tag. Both are the same. Both serves the same purpose. For example, you can use the strong tag to make a text bold, or else you can use the B tag, that is a bold tag, to make a text bold. The next is the italic text or emphasized text. To make text italic, you can use the EM or I tag, where EM stands for emphasized text and I stands for italic text. Both serves the same purpose. The example demonstrate the use of EM and I tags. So both serve the same purpose. If you want to make a text italic, you can use EM or I tag. Next comes is the underline text. To underline text, you can use U tag. U stands for underlined text. For example, you can use the U tag to make a text underlined. Next comes is the strike through text and strike text. Both tags are used to serve the same purpose. To create a strike through text, you can use S or strike tag. The following example demonstrate the use of S and strike tags. Both tags are used for the same purpose. Now this is the time to implement all the tags in HTML. HTML starts with the root element HTML followed by the head tag. In between the head tags we have title tag. The title is font styles and followed by the body tag. So body tag is a container where we are going to key in our code. The first tag we implement is B, is bold, and followed by the strong. So the B and strong serve the same purpose. And followed by the tag I and followed by EM. I and EM, where I stands for italic text and EM stands for emphasized text, both serves the same purpose. Followed by the tag U, used for underline a text. Followed by S and strike. Both serves the same purpose, and followed by the closing body tag and the closing HTML tag. Now this is a time to show you the live demo. To write HTML code, we are going to use Notepad. How to open a Notepad? It's quite simple. Go to search box and type Notepad. Click the Notepad icon in order to open it. The HTML code begins with the root element HTML, that is opening tag, and followed by the closing HTML tag. In between HTML tags, we have a head tag, opening tag, and followed by the closing head tag. And in between head tag, we have a title tag, followed by opening title tag. The title is text styles, and followed by the closing title tag. Next comes is the body tag. Body tag is a container where we are going to key in all the HTML tags. So opening body tag followed by the closing body tag. The first tag we are going to implement is the bold tag B, opening tag followed by the text to be bold and followed by the closing tag. The next tag we are going to implement is a strong tag, opening strong tag followed by the text to be strong, that is bold, followed by the closing strong tag. The bold and strong tags are used for the same purpose, to make a text bold. The next tag we are going to implement is italic, that is I, followed by opening I tag and text to be italicized and closing I tag. The next tag we are going to implement is EM, where EM stands for emphasized text, followed by opening EM tag and text to be italicized and closing EM tag. To make a text italicized, either you can use I or EM tag. The next tag we are going to implement is U. It is used to underline a text, followed by opening U tag and text to be underlined and closing U tag. The next tag is S, where S stands for strike through. So opening S tag and followed by the text to be strike through and closing S tag. The next tag we are going to implement is strike, which is used to strike through a text, followed by strike opening tag and text to be strike through and closing strike tag. The tag S and strike are used for the same purpose. To make the output neat and clean, I am going to add a break reader, that is BR, at the end of each HTML text styles tags. Now this is the time to save the HTML code. Go to File and click on the option Save. When you click the option Save, it will take you to the Save As dialog box. Go to Desktop and provide a file name and followed by the extension .html. This is very important. You want to use any name, but the extension should be .html and followed by all files and click Save. We have created a web page in Desktop. In order to open it, just double click it. Now we can see the real use of HTML text styles. From the output, we can able to understand that the first two tags are used to make a text bold and followed by the next two tags are used to make a text italicized and followed by underline text. Last two tags are used to make a text strike through. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all in another great video.